Let's talk about the new AirPods with active noise cancellation. You might know them as AirPods 4, but officially, they're the AirPods Pro second generation, and they come with some impressive upgrades. In this video, I'm going to break down the top features that make them stand out, and why they might just be Apple's best AirPods yet. Number 1. Advanced Active Noise Cancellation. The ANC on AirPods Pro 2 is up to 2 times better than the first gen AirPods Pro. It blocks out more background noise, whether you're in a noisy cafe, airplane, or gym. Perfect for staying focused or enjoying your music without distractions. It's powered by the new H2 chip, which makes real-time noise filtering smarter and faster. Number 2. Advanced Media Controls. AirPods 4 have one of the best media controls Apple has launched so far. It responds really quickly and you can use it on almost any app. By default, you can double tap either AirPod to play or pause your music. For this video, I'll attach one of my AirPods to my ear and hold this one AirPod to my hand to show you the basics. Just tap on the sensor part in the stem of your AirPod to pause or play any song. If you want to skip to the next song, just double tap your right AirPod and it will do. Super handy, right? Number 3. Call controls with head gestures. We all could control our calls by tapping our AirPods. But with AirPods 4, you can actually accept and reject calls just by some movements of your head. If you open the settings of the phone, your AirPods are connected to untap Bluetooth, then tap the eye next to your AirPods name. Scroll down a bit, you'll find head gestures. Go inside it and toggle on head gestures. Once it's turned on, if you get a call, if you move your head up and down and repeat it for a while, the call will get answered. If you want to decline the call, simply shake your head sideways. With that, the call will get declined. It's that easy. Alright, that's a wrap on our video about the key features of the AirPods 4 with ANC. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for more AirPods tips. Thanks so much for watching.